Welcome to the AdiLogiX. AdiLogiX is a modern SCADA platform designed for real-time control, intelligent monitoring, and seamless automation across industrial environments. On the left side, the navigation panel provides quick access to key modules such as dashboards, reports, alarms, scheduled reporting, and trending data. Each section is designed to give users seamless access to machine-level insights, production data, and system performance. The Reports section enables access to both daily and shift-wise production reports for different machines, supporting data-driven decision-making. This centralized interface ensures that all operational data, analytics, and system controls are accessible in one place, delivering complete visibility across the plant. Welcome to Injection Molding Monitoring System. This is the global dashboard. This dashboard gives a complete live overview of all injection molding machines from one centralized screen, helping operators and production teams monitor machine activity in real time. At the top, you can see important production information such as total parts count and total reject count, which are updated live from the machines. Based on the selected date and machine filters, the system also calculates key production metrics including OEE, performance, quality, and availability. The dashboard also provides a clear machine status summary showing how many machines are currently running, idle, in fault condition, or stopped, making it easy to understand the overall production status at a glance. On the right side, trend charts display part count and reject count live, helping users track production performance over time. Each machine card shows the current machine condition along with live production count and detailed machine information for quick monitoring and analysis. The temperature heat map section provides live barrel zone and nozzle temperature monitoring, helping operators maintain proper process conditions during injection molding operations. With AdiLogiX, manufacturers can monitor production data, machine status, and process parameters from a single platform for better visibility, faster response, and improved operational efficiency. After selecting a machine from the global dashboard, AdiLogiX opens the dedicated machine monitoring screen for detailed real-time analysis. This dashboard provides both live machine parameters and production performance data for the selected injection molding machine. At the top of the screen, the system displays machine status, cycle time, part count, and reject count. Based on the selected date filter, AdiLogiX also calculates important production metrics, including OEE, availability, performance, and quality. The clamping unit section shows live clamp force, mold temperature, and clamp force trends, helping operators monitor machine stability during production. In the injection unit section, live barrel temperatures for Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, and nozzle temperature are continuously monitored to maintain proper molding conditions. The dashboard also displays important process values including injection pressure, injection speed, screw position, and hold pressure for real-time process monitoring. On the right side, the hydraulic system section provides live hydraulic pressure and hydraulic oil temperature monitoring with alarm indications for quick operator response. The cooling system panel displays water flow and inlet temperature values to help ensure stable cooling performance during operation. At the bottom, the machine status timeline gives a complete history of running, idle, stop, and fault conditions throughout the day, along with runtime, downtime, good parts count, and shot count information. With AdiLogiX, operators and production teams can monitor machine performance, process parameters, and production status from one simple and centralized platform. Welcome to the Predictive Maintenance Dashboard. This dashboard provides predictive insights and maintenance-related analytics based on the machine selected from the top filter, helping production and maintenance teams make better operational decisions. At the top section, the dashboard displays important calculated health indices, including machine health, cooling system condition, part quality, hydraulic system status, and tool life percentage. These values are continuously calculated using machine production and process data to give a quick overview of overall machine condition. The dashboard also provides maintenance forecasting information such as current shot count, remaining shots, reject rate, and remaining tool life, helping teams plan maintenance activities before unexpected breakdowns occur. The remaining tool life indicator gives a clear visual representation of tool condition, making it easier to identify when maintenance or replacement may be required. In the trend analysis section, live charts display mold temperature and injection pressure trends, along with reject trend analysis for continuous process monitoring and quality tracking. By combining calculated maintenance indicators with live machine trends, AdiLogiX helps manufacturers reduce downtime, improve machine reliability, and support smarter maintenance planning across injection molding operations. Welcome to the Shift Configuration Dashboard. The Shift Configuration module allows administrators to define and manage production shifts within the system. Users can configure shift timings, assign shift names, and align operations based on plant working schedules. This ensures that all reports, analytics, and performance tracking are accurately mapped to the correct shift periods. By standardizing shift definitions across the system, the platform enables consistent reporting, better workforce planning, and improved operational visibility. The Shift Configuration module ensures that all production insights are structured and aligned with real-world plant operations. Welcome to the Factory Overview Report. Users can generate factory overview reports by selecting the required From Date and To Date using the Report filter screen. Once the report is generated, AdiLogiX provides a complete historical production summary for the selected time period. The Factory Overview Report includes important production KP, such as availability, performance, quality, and OEE, along with total runtime, downtime, production count, and reject count. The report also provides machine status utilization details showing the total running, idle, stop, and fault durations to help understand overall machine utilization during the selected period. The OEE utilization section gives a clear breakdown of availability, quality, and performance values for quick production analysis and reporting. At the bottom, the production summary displays total production, rejected units, good units, and overall, reject rate for the selected date range. With AdiLogiX reporting, manufacturers can easily access historical production data, analyze machine utilization, and support better production planning and performance tracking. Welcome to the Machine Performance Report. Users can generate a detailed machine performance report by selecting the required machine, shift, and date range from the report filter screen. Once the report is generated, AdiLogiX provides a complete historical performance summary for the selected injection molding machine. The report includes important production KP, such as availability, performance, quality, and OEE, along with runtime, downtime, production count, and reject count for the selected period. The machine status utilization section gives a clear breakdown of machine running, idle, stop, and fault durations, helping teams understand machine utilization and operational history. The report also includes process parameter analysis with historical values for barrel temperatures, nozzle temperature, injection pressure, and clamp force, providing better visibility into machine process conditions. The OEE utilization section visually represents availability, quality, and performance values for quick production analysis. At the bottom, the production summary displays total production, rejected units, good units, and cycle time information for the selected machine and shift. Welcome to the Machine Utilization Report. This report provides a complete historical utilization summary for the selected injection molding machine based on the chosen date range. Using the filter screen, users can select the required machine and time period to generate the utilization report. At the top of the report, AdiLogiX displays the overall runtime, downtime, fault time, and idle time values for the selected period, giving a quick overview of machine utilization and operational performance. Below that, the detailed utilization log provides date-wise records showing machine runtime, downtime, fault condition duration, and idle time history. This report helps operators, supervisors, and maintenance teams understand how effectively the machine was utilized during production and identify periods of stoppage, idle conditions, or machine faults. By analyzing machine utilization history, AdiLogiX helps manufacturers improve production planning, reduce unnecessary downtime. The Trending Data module provides advanced real-time analytics, enabling users to monitor and compare multiple machine parameters simultaneously. Users can dynamically select data sources, gateways, controllers, and specific tags to create customized trend visualizations based on operational requirements. Multiple parameters such as production counts, rejection metrics, and quality indicators can be analyzed together, allowing deeper understanding of process behavior. Once selected, the system streams real-time data, continuously updating the graph to reflect live machine conditions. This enables operators to instantly detect deviations, anomalies, or performance fluctuations as they occur. The platform also allows users to configure update intervals and define the time window for analysis, providing flexibility between high-resolution monitoring and broader trend evaluation. In addition to graphical visualization, users can switch to tabular view for detailed data inspection and validation. The Alarms module provides real-time visibility into critical system events, enabling immediate response to abnormal conditions. This helps prevent equipment damage, reduce downtime, and maintain consistent production quality. This screen provides centralized monitoring and management of machine alarms and critical system events in real time. The Live Alarms section displays active alarms instantly whenever the system detects abnormal machine conditions, faults, or process issues during production. Operators can easily search alarms, apply date-wise filters, and view alarm details including timestamp, alarm name, group name, priority, alarm message, alarm state, acknowledgement status, and alarm values. The Alarm History section allows users to review past alarm records for analysis and troubleshooting purposes. Users can also acknowledge alarms and add acknowledgement notes directly from the system for better event tracking and maintenance coordination. By providing real-time alarm visibility and historical event analysis, the AdiLogiX Alarms module helps reduce downtime. AdiLogiX also provides an auto report scheduler feature for automated report generation and sharing. Using this screen, users can create scheduled reports by selecting the required report type, configuring report parameters, and choosing the recipients who should receive the report. The system supports multiple report scheduling options, including daily, weekly, and monthly schedules, along with configurable execution time settings. Users can easily select recipients from the user list, allowing reports to be automatically delivered through email without manual intervention. This feature helps production teams, supervisors, and management receive regular factory and machine reports on time, improving reporting efficiency and reducing manual work. With the AdiLogiX Auto Report Scheduler, manufacturers can automate report distribution, maintain regular production visibility, and support faster decision-making across operations.